Okay, today's my birthday, and look what I got myself. Yay! Okay, let's unbox it. And I have a friend. Hi.
Hello.
He's from the one where I burned the freaking science books. Anyway, I'm gonna take this key that I have on my neck, and I'm going to take it, and then I'm gonna do that, and then hopefully, there we go. We don't need any of this crap. Yep.
Need those in there.
Oh look, the subwoofer's right there. Okay, okay. That's the most important piece of the whole system.
The subwoofer is where all the legitness.
Okay, you know what? I need a tripod. And there's his laptop right there.
My laptop is legit.
My laptop's legit with my Mountain Dew screensaver. Yeah.
I have a World of Warcraft screensaver. Mine's more legit.
But Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew sucks, man. I'm sorry. It does.
You like Mountain Dew. I think this might go down as one of the most stupid unboxing videos.
Just like I may or
Wait, you don't like KFC?
I love KFC.
Okay, good. Dude, KFC is awesome.
Mountain Dew is also legit. I don't like KFC more.
Well, yeah, it's actual food.
You got that tripod down now?
Okay, I think so.
You gotta like edit that part out.
No, I'm gonna leave it in just to make the video crappier. Cause it's my birthday.
Yeah, those crappy videos.
Okay, here we go. We're gonna take this. I think this is just pointless cardboard.
Just like, let's put a random rectangle of cardboard in here. We have nothing else good to put in there.
They could have put like an iPhone in there or something. That would have been nice. Okay.
Just like, here's a free iPhone with your sound system.
We're gonna turn it upside down. There we go. It's a pretty legit little subwoofer right there. Satellites are probably in this box.
Those subwoofers,
though. The subwoofers. I like this.
The subwoofer, oh my gosh. That subwoofer is so awesome, guys.
Okay, guys, here we go.
I just messed with it. Oh my gosh.
Okay, okay.
Oh my gosh.
Look at it.
Oh my gosh.
Check it.
It's all. Oh my gosh.
There it is.
That's the best subwoofer I've ever seen.
Look at that.
That is the best
down
subwoofer
firing.
I have ever seen.
The port's got a little piece of paper and plastic over it. There we go.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna take the camera off. Hold on. I'm gonna take the camera off the tripod so you can see it better.
Look at that subwoofer. That's like the best. Is that or
I think
is
it
that
looks
not
like
the best thing you've ever seen in your entire life?
That subwoofer's bigger under there because it's a 6-inch. I think this is like a 3-inch. I feel like it's gonna have good bass though, because it was a $60 Logitech system. Just figure out how to. There we go. Simple enough. Oh, look, here's the satellites.
It's got all kinds of stuff in it.
Here's the satellites with 360-degree sound from Logitech.
Oh my gosh, yes.
One-handed unboxings are always the hardest.
And I'll provide an extra hand.
Thanks, man. Just hold right there and pull. There we go. Teamwork, guys. And now we've got like this little.
I mean, I can unbox. Like, I'll just like go.
Oh, it's so glossy. Look how shiny that is.
Okay. Look at these edges.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Look
don't
at
touch
those
it.
edges.
Look at the edges. They're all fingerprinted now.
They're so crisp.
I'll just wipe it off with a microfiber later.
The edges.
Right speaker.
Are
and there's
so
the back.
Crisp.
Okay.
Look at them.
I'm gonna set this on top of the little subwoofer so they don't die.
Look at those edges.
Dude, the edges are like beautiful.
I know, right?
So beautiful. Okay. And I need another hand here.
I got this.
Right there.
Ready?
And
right here?
Yep. Alright, we got that. I think I've got this teamwork thing down.
Yes.
Okay, don't smudge it this time. Because I was all depressed when you did that.
I didn't even touch it that hard.
Don't do it again. What is wrong with you? This kid does not know how to listen. Yeah.
Oh, you mean like, whoop?
Okay, anyway. All the jokes aside, I can just wipe it off with a microfiber.
It's a fingerprint.
There's a piece of plastic. Oh, I just touched the speaker. Okay, that's even worse than touching the gloss. Anyway, here's the freaking 360-degree sound logo. And we're going to peel the beautiful piece of paper off to get that awesome glossed effect. You can probably see, you can't see me in there, but yeah, there you go. So we're gonna get this.
No CIA, you can't see the maker of this video.
Okay, anyway, we're gonna get this all set up.
It's just like.
Okay, we're gonna get this all set up, and then we're gonna play some dubstep through it. Yay! Okay, I've got it like crappily set up right now. I'm gonna set it up somewhere else, but it does work. I'm gonna show you that. Holy crap! Wait, there's a screw up. Oh, this extension cord's... Okay, I got a bad extension cord. That is fine. We just need to make sure it works. So I'm going to get me some dubstep. Okay, it's playing. Do. Oh man. Oh my God. Yeah, that sounds pretty good. So we can clearly say they work with dubstep. Let's see if they work with my songs. Oh yeah. Here, let me get to a better one. Yeah, there we go. Pretty impressed with the sound of this thing. It's freaking crisp. Listen to that. Don't do that. Screws it up.
No, it was good.
Oh yeah. Like my favorite song that I made. The speakers sound decent. I didn't think they'd be this good. I mean, like, the bass is kind of nothing compared to... Here, you know what? You know what I'm gonna do? We're gonna unplug. It's nothing compared to this one. Yet it still sounds freaking good. Here, let's play some dubstep through this one. Here, listen to this. Watch this. Ready for this? Dude, put your hand right here. Oh my God. I know. The bass on this one is nothing compared to that, but this is a 6-inch woofer and this is a freaking 3-inch. So, considering the size of the subwoofer, it sounds pretty freaking decent. Like, honestly, this is a decent sound system. It's got Logitech's 360-degree sound features. It's got a controllable subwoofer with a freaking RCA and this. So that's pretty freaking awesome. It's got the little thing here. It's kind of like what this one has, a little bit. If you take a look, this is a 5.1 system. It has this little thing. What the heck am I? Oh. Okay, it doesn't work. Never mind. But yeah, it's kind of the same setup. So guys, thank you for watching this very, very crappy unboxing that I will have so much fun watching. I'll probably laugh like every single time I watch it. What you be doing with my laptop bag?
Laptop bag is my friend.
He's